Do it. Good morning, online friends and family. So what we're doing today, as I mentioned before, is we're going to Skyzone.
And then we take a nap.
Yeah, we're going to Skyzone and then we're taking a nap. That's exactly right. Rory, what's going on? What you got there, apples?
Good morning. Daddy. Good morning, everyone.
So Skyzone opens at 11. It's like 11 and 12:30, like toddler time. There's no way they're gonna be able to jump for like 90 minutes. So we don't really know when we're gonna go, when we're gonna get back. But yeah, it'll be fun. We'll see you there. What's up? You want me to put your apples and the darts together? Rory, are you cooking those darts? Are you making apple dart fritters? Okay. Okay, we're getting ready to head over to the Skyzone, do some jumping, come back, take a nap, maybe hit the hot tub, that type of stuff. So, we'll see you there. Yeah, you heard it. Now we're here at the Skyzone. It's pretty easy. Wow! Slam dunk! Give me a high five!
Dad, I'm I have targeted goals that need to be met today.
Good job! High five! It's your father. It's your father. What are you doing? I'm not. I can't get in there, you big silly. Whoa! Come on, let's go. Whoa! Okay, Daddy's coming in too, ready? Woo! I got you! I got you! All done with the Skyzone. Man, it wears us out. Kids are wore out too, I hope.
Dad, inside the orange bag is gross.
It's not gross? What are you talking about?
No, rolls.
Rolls?
Inside the orange bag.
What do you mean inside the orange?
You want chips?
Yeah, they're chips, sweetie. They're chips. It's gonna be your snack. All right, done with Skyzone. Gonna get some gas before we head back home.
And my poo-poo box.
Yeah, Evie says she got a scratch. It's like the tiniest scratch ever, right? Yeah, Rory, what you got there? Chips?
Here.
Hmm? What do you got? Oh, your scratch?
I'm something.
Oh, okay. You're showing everybody your scratch. All right, we're back from the trampoline park, and the first thing that Evie said as soon as she woke up from her nap was, let's go to the hot tub. So that's what we're doing. Rory's coming downstairs right now.
Ready, go. Ready, go.
Ready, go.
Ready, go.
Evie, you ready to go?
Come away. Papa.
You want bow bow?
Hot tub.
You want bow bow? Here. Bow bow!
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Papa. How do we open this?
You turn the knob.
Open it. Oh, my flip-flops are here.
Oh, here's your flip flops right here.
Oh, no.
Rory, are you scared? Get outside.
Wait.
Bubbles.
Wait. Bubbles. Like bubbles, right? Wait, you see?
Let's hear it.
Bubble, bubble, louder, louder. Make the bubble sticky air green.
Jen's making spaghetti for dinner.
Chili to be exact.
Chili and spaghetti.
Oh. And my own.
Yeah, and
watching
she's
YouTube.
watching YouTube
As
by
you're
her. Yeah.
YouTubing.
Yeah.
Vlogging.
It's like a YouTube. It's like a vlog inception. It's like a vlogception. Like it's a vlog inside of a vlog. Inside of a
There
vlog.
you go.
All right, that's it for us. We're gonna wind down for the night. Do a little manicure, pedicure. I don't know what's going on, but we're gonna restore you, go to bed, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Mwah.
Mwah.
Mwah.